So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable the auto downloading of images and videos on the web application or the web version of Telegram on your Windows desktops or laptop. Now, in order to do it, for example, this is the Telegram web, and you can get to the settings of Telegram web just by clicking on the three dots on the top right left corner. Now, once you're in the settings, simply go to this option of data and storage. Just simply go over there, and here you can see this option of auto download photos. So in your case it might all being checked in, so all you need to do is to just simply one by one again uncheck all of them. So you'll notice that the auto downloading for photos and videos and gifs will be disabled for you on the web version of Telegram. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.